It's 50 degrees today in Wisconsin, and that's Fahrenheit, and it's supposed to get down to below zero in a couple of days, gradually. And so I decided to come here and be outside a little bit. I can hear wind chimes. I'm in the cemetery. Somebody's got wind chimes that they put out. This is very nice. I decided to bring my pumpkin bars that nobody wanted to eat, but they're so healthy out here, so animals can eat them because they'll be good for them. This is so pretty here. Wow, the wind chimes sound just wonderful. Look at these clouds coming. What a lovely day. I don't have gloves on. It's so nice. Somebody planted these rows of trees right here, these little ones. That's fabulous. Okay, I hope you're having a great day, whatever you're doing. I gotta get back to the house. We've got things that we're doing. Very busy day. This is nice here. Okay. A lot of people take walks through here. It's very nice. Love you.